Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a can't go full screen on CS2. It's quite easy and straightforward, and it will take you a couple of seconds to fix this issue, right? So first thing what I suggest to do here is to go to on settings, search bar, go to display settings, right? On display settings, scroll down until you see a display resolution, and then you need to look what is recommended for you. For me, it's 1920 times 1080 is recommended. So this means if there is recommended word here, this means this is your display resolution, right? And then on Steam, what you need to do here is to go on Steam, go to library, go to CS2, right click on it, go to properties, and need to put this command. Full screen minus that full screen, and then minus width, and then for me it's 1920, and minus height 1080, and then just leave this command here, launch the game, and your resolution should be the one that you put on the dash, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.